Alright, so this is my notebooks I've created based on my theme of 9/11 and the rise of nationalism. I've created 5 notebooks, one that contains my video links, some that are relevant to the topic, one is the actual History Channel's documentary, which is actually kind of long, but I've seen it before and it's very relevant with the aftermath of 9/11. Some more statistics here, which are just um, the people who died and where they're from, and then also the terrorist fatalities and injuries, including 9/11, but they separate that to show what massive impact 9/11 had on this statistic. And then some other web references with critical documents that are very relevant to the topic. And a little segment with the definition and explanation of nationalism, and then the same thing for patriotism. This goes into detail of explaining what nationalism really is and how it differentiates from patriotism. I make the reference in here that patriotism is um, like a square and nationalism is like a rectangle. When a square is always a rectangle, but a rectangle is not always a square. And that is true because most of the time nationalism contains patriotism within it, but patriotism does not always have nationalism. So that's just one thing that I was thinking about when I was creating this. And these are just my notebooks right here, and yeah.